Okay, schools. Joestar.
Oh yeah,
Alright
because
na.
we can ring the bell, the bell we need.
Joestar,
We
okay.
can see. Okay.
Place traps everywhere. Okay.
Putting it everywhere. Oh, did it go? I was standing still. I was waiting for my You actually doing that.
Nasa babaw?
Because you're seeing him, you need to stand still. If you're gonna walk fast, I got it on shit. Ah,
Jack, come here.
I got downstairs. Don't you dare do me.
Jack, come here. You see this plant? Jump on it. This is the perfect hiding
I
spot.
wish it.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Don't worry. I'm gonna play dangerous.
Roblox dangerous.
Eh.
You will spend Robux
No, it's not Robux. You can actually buy it.
Lolly gonna catch me! Lolly gonna catch me! Lolly gonna catch me!
Ah, somebody win! Haha.
Ha ha
Okay.
ha ha.
Bro, okay, Joestar. Joestar is good. Yeah, I think house too. Okay, house. House.
How?
Oh my god.
What do we do? Placing crap inside the door. Placing crap. Placing crap inside the door. I am my base. My base has been
Is
completed.
this you, Zach?
I'm inside my base. Okay, just go to the
Zach, is this you?
What's that mean?
Hey, what? Where are you? Come here. We're making a
I'm
base.
inside the school. I am my base. What?
We're making a base here.
Okay.
Oh my god.
When my base okay, I'm not inside the base.
Come to our base, Zach.
Okay, just don't kill me, okay? If you kill me,
I'm not. Wait, what?
oh, this is gold. I thought it was.
Oh,
I'm right behind you right now, bro.
oh my god. that name. That person, that was me.
Where is she there? I think he got trapped by my truck. Oh shit. Yeah!
No, we're just trolling her.
Yeah. So bad because this
The trolled, get
she's
trolled,
my
get
own
trolled.
friend and I'm rich.
What? I literally juked him. Ah, I feel so bad. Okay. House. House. You didn't do house.
Okay, so wow. Okay, we still do. We can place
Yeah,
traps
it's
in the door.
in the vent.
What is this vent?
Yeah.
I'm
I mean,
inside
no,
the
no.
bathroom.
There's no vent. I'm so sorry.
Okay, I'm putting
Oh my god. Again. Oh, I think so.
traps in the bathroom, okay? Boy,
Bro! Me and I don't know.
placing traps. Oh, what the fuck? What did you do?
I did. I just heard too. See?
The power of something. Where is he?
I actually feel so bad.
I am so sorry.
Bro, he's showering. Why did you lose? Holy!
The power of joking. What the fuck? Run! Oh,
Where the hell is he going? Oh damn! He actually got one. Jack, I found a hiding place on top of the refrigerator.
Yeah, that's what I was.
Oh,
Let's go play school now. Okay?
no, Joe store.
Okay, do it.
There's so much space. So this good. Or how?
Bye!
Oh, I'm so sorry, Zach.
They grabbed you.
I'm so sorry. Oh damn. Ma, ma. Bro, you're disappearing. I don't know. I know this trap is.
Bye. So, me and always this.
There you are. Come here, Zach. I'm targeting you first. Bro, I tried to jump.
No! No! You have no more.
Oh my god. I kept getting trapped. Okay.
You You! Brody got you!
Just wait for it. Okay, hold on, bala. Mag-killer ka. Because I'm that good. Joestar. Zach. Joestar. Zach. Okay. Oh, it's either me.
Oh, wait.
If it's you, you'll be two.
I'm not panicked. I got panicked so hard.
Being a survivor is so actually so easy. And hello.
Oh, there!
Look, I'll just stand in the middle.
Oh, God, you. Oh, God, you. Oh, get me out! Oh, it's off!
Hello.
He got me! Who's in the door?
Hello, stand in the middle.
Bro, I am just gonna go downstairs.
See? Look at me. I've been here the whole time. Hidden. Eating to the house. No, this see?
Oh.
You can't get me.
That's it. Oh.
No, that's not. No.
Okay. What shall we do now?
If you become a killer, just pray you won't. You didn't. Okay? Because it's too much, bro. Oh, bro, school. School.
Yeah, that's it, bro. Are they old?
Call the light from your bed.
Yeah, where is it? What? I'm ready? I saw you.
But you can
Hello, Dragon King.
see. You haven't killed. See?
Let's see a baby.
You haven't hit a single guy. Oh, damn! Hey, you! Bro!
Right, know the
Because
I already know the outcome. So what?
and behind you. And behind you. Oh, you hit me. I win! didn't. See, it's hard being the killer.
Yeah, I want to go to Legend now. Where are they? But they already quit.
Bro,
Oh,
bro.
they're playing Grove. Wait, I'm gonna play with my friend.
Okay. Because you keep losing that's not me. Oh.
What do we play?
Tower of Hell. Bro, Tower of Hell. I saw an update that there's a secret map. Oh, the Juke
I see the map now.
No.
I want it now. Bro, what?
Bro, this is an easy map, bro.
Oh, wait.
This is so easy. Oh, wait. Bro, your your join request is covered. Oh wait, what?
Damn!
See? It's literally so
Bro, they're
easy.
fucking covering my screen. What the fuck?
How? How?
Fucking prediction.
Oh, what? How did you flop?
I did it. I'm doing it.
Wait, I don't have my shoes.
I did it.
Bro, you don't know how to play.
I'm doing it. I did it again.
Why is this hard?
Oh my god! I clutched it! No way!
What?
I'm on the blue.
See, I thought this was easy.
I hate the movie. I am here. Jump! I thought I was going to fall, bro. I got jump scared. No. Bro, are we fucking serious? Oh! Dance stuck.
Okay.
3 minutes na lang ba?
Okay. Red versus Exterminator. Diri sa region eh. Taga to sa.
Wala sa? 0% cellphone niya.
Eh, yan cellphone na mama niya. Red versus Exterminator.
Bro,
I'm going. Bro, it rejoined.
Bro,
I'm gonna target you first. Yeah.
Oh, I need to restart this goddamn Roblox. Kasi keep glitching to me. Mama ko, hindi. Saka na magpaulam. Sige, may alat din.
Juice, hambang na juice.
Oh, sige, Zach.
Juice.
Just only 2 minutes.
Juice.
2 minutes. May ala. Oo. May ala, kid!
Transcendent. Egg man na Japon.
Let me try to get it. Go. Go!
Kaya ba? Limi.
Oh! Ikit!
Oh my god. So sorry.
Zach, it's 2 minutes.
Dude, my so sorry. Oh my
Bro,
god.
that's it.
1 minute left. 1 minute left. 1 minute left.
Pa, teka na Zach, 1 minute and 50 pa.
1 minute
Boom!
left.
La! Inong Grove Garden.
1 minute left.
Oh!
1 minute left.
Go, motherfucker! Go, motherfucker!
1 minute left. And 1 minute left. Did you do it?
Yeah!
Oh, my watch. Wait. Dapat chanta.
Bro, where my egg at? My dad!
Sama ba aray duwa kaya niyo na?
What?
Ayaw. Ako nang gani kay ako sa bayo.
Puta, aray naman naman. Kuhaan sa daw?
Gabi na sa na bala. Bro, ako sa dami sa Me? Billy, wag na ako sa ano, sa red chest.
Yeah.
Ya, pidul. Komen.
Ako, tumigaw. Bisa. Walang bitay. Puso kong ligaw. Maligo na ikaw. Oh, may ala pa rin bud seed.
Master Sprinkler!
No way. Ah! So, otak, sige na. Nabakal ko na.
Lang get burning bud.
Pia, may daily?
Ay, daily. Mabigyan.
Just kidding. It's a big thing.
Okay, bye-bye.
Just kidding. It's a big stickler. I got something to buy a pizza.
Honey, you. Ooh.
Mom, may galing mo naman ako mag-sniper. Sa may computer mo na ako.
Sniper.
Sa may duhos.
Hampanta? Hindi ka. Kaya, Jack. Dos ta.
Yay.
Hindi lang po no pentraon permis hindi ko
Oh,
hambal.
where my get out?
Hambal mo man. Hindi sa kuno permis magentra. Hindi sa kuno permis magentra sa.
45%.
92%.
20%.
29,672%.
That's not even a real number.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Let me see then.
It's shortened.
Yeah. So, and 0.1
Bro, go slowpoke. You are so slow. Slowpoke. Slowpoke. Slowpoke.
Hey!
You're so slow.
Okay, I'm
Oh my
here.
god, you're so slow. Zach, you're so slow. Bro, where are you going there, Zach? You're so slow. You're a slowpoke. You are so slowpoke.
Okay, we're cracking
You
it.
are one a slowpoke.
I'm cracking
You're
it.
one a slowpoke. What the heck? You're a one slowpoke, Zach.
I got lava. What do you want?
You are just a slowpoke.
Yeah! I have enough of it!
Nah, I'd win.
See? Okay. Bro, I got stuck on the door. Nice. How? I got it. How did I get here? Huh? I killed him.
Why didn't you give me the kill?
I don't know. I pulled at a random spot and I killed him. Nagabot na siya sa arbor naman. Papagod siya sa nice. Okay, let me just equip
Zach.
Oh, that! I stabbed them.
Yeah, because you killed.
Oh, we didn't.
Oh. Who's the MVP?
How?
How though? Because you're a slowpoke and the game feels bad. Yeah, you're a slowpoke.
I have enough of it.
You're a slowpoke, bro. You're a slowpoke. You're a slowpoke. You're the slowest. And it's a slowpoke. Because it's so slow, like, bro. You are so, like, a slowpoke. Bro, I'm kidding. Because you're a slowpoke. I'm
Ooh,
kidding. I'm
ten.
kidding. Okay. Why are you so slowpoke?
I'm gonna die. I'm not gonna help out the team.
Okay, and then I'm gonna report.
Lobo.
What's that?
Goodness. LeBron James, bro. Oh, he got hit. He got hit. Green. What? That's what I predicted him, but he. Bro.
Ah, bro, I got lagged.
Oh, headshot!
King Billy.
King B
2
or
minutes
King
stop.
B?
Let's see.
Oh, good thing. Dito man.
Bro! Revive me, Zach. Revive me.
He's in the floor.
Revive me. He's coming.
Oh, I got jump scared. Oh! 112,000 na coins ko.
Invoice ko ito.
Nice. Zach, pinanong Zach na may coins ko, Zach. 1,000 na.
Ah!
Ako na 100.
I got a fucking lag spike.
Ako na 100.
Zach! Zach! See, you're slow. You're a slowpoke. Zach.
What about I have a Pico
You
yun?
are so slowpoke. Still, you're still a slowpoke. Zach. Zach. Zach.
Dali ka.
Nagsing table.
Enough of it.
Oh my god, see? Bro! Yeah. Guys. Gabe.
What's the way? Mommy. Mommy. Final.
Oh my god. Still a slowpoke. It's still a slow.
I cannot see. All that is connected. Broken. Gonna die. Oh, 6,000. Hello there. He was invincible, but he
Wait,
wasn't
what?
invisible. He was invisible to Timo. Oh yeah. Oh, green bean was in green.
Oh, you can go from
Oh, there's two
here.
green beans. Yes!
Zach.
There's three mix. In the green bean.
You're a slowpoke, see?
Oh,
It's not a slowpoke, Zach.
and now I'm invincible to Slowpoke.
No.
Hello there, green.
I got a lag spike.
What a loud spike.
Wow! See? I told you it was a
Holy loud spike. Holy dream. Holy dream. What? I got
Zach.
killed by
How
Dragon.
though?
Right, guess we're gonna get killed by.
Oh my god. See?
Oh, that we got. No, I did not fight. Shall we ambush them?
Oh my
Ambush
god.
them.
I hate lag spikes.
Hello! I win! I got the candy clip! Wow! Medyo wala na bakal transcendent.
So, ba't hindi ako sa panilagot?
We got a
Zach,
clap. We
Zach,
got a clap.
follow me, Zach.
Wait. Where are you? I lost.
Come here.
I'm blind.
See?
I
I
lost.
told you.
I lost.
He's a slowpoke. Oh my god.
Come on.
Come here.
So I tried to trick him, but it only worked. Oh, he's in there in the Morty. But he's not a Morty.
Ah! Look at this. Yo, look at this.
We gotta lock him. Kill him! Hello! Yes, I killed him, I killed him, I killed him. Yes! Hurry up!
Oh my god. I'm the MVP. Oh my god.
Where are
Because someone is a slowpoke. That's why. Oh my god.
Someone.
See, Zach, 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 Zach. Someone is a slowpoke. His name is Zakify. And he's a slowpoke.
What about who's in sleeper?
Okay, hindi. Sana sa akin, Zach. Come here, Zach. Let's ambush them.
Yeah!
Okay.
Oh, you learn how to do that.
Yeah.
What the? Oh, what? There's something! Oh, shit, I'm getting ambushed. What? Bro, help! Damn it!
Bro, I see him.
You move, but he still hit you. What is his
I know.
name? Only lag spike. Hello, green. What? I missed!
Oh my god.
There, Bakerman. Bakerman, why are you rushing in, Bakerman? Yeah, I know that already. No way. Go kill them by stabbing them. Stab them.
Nag-lag
Only
spike,
lag
nag-lag
spike. Only
spike.
lag spike. Kill them by stabbing them. Don't get hit by the bomb. Don't get hit. Don't get killed. Oh, Bingo. What is happening? Don't let this stab them. Bro, we're gonna lose. Because there's only 30 seconds on time. Kill them by stabbing them.
Bro, I keep on getting my spike. No.
There's 20 seconds left.
Oh my god. Naglag
yeah.
spike. Naglag
America's
spike.
no series.
Naglag spike. Naglag spike, Zach.
Yeah,
Oh my god!
I did it. Hello! I thought of what the fuck.
Ah! Couch was Instagram.
Stop! Oh, what? I should have hated it.
Hit him. Wow, okay, this. Yeah.
Our TV.
We keep getting loud spike.
Hello! Oh my
Like, oh my god.
god. You. Stop! What the? Oh, bro, thank you.
What?
What?
How? Revive me.
What?
I literally said revive me. Oh my god.
I didn't know he was gonna ambush me because
I literally said revive me.
he was so close to me, so he could
Oh my
just shoot me.
god.
That was the worst decision I've been like. He decided to go.
Okay. I got a lag spike again. That's why I hate this phone. That's why I'm never going back again because there's a lag spike. And I fucking hate this. Oh my god, fucking lag spike. It's like, oh my god! I got a lag spike too. Oh my god.
Yeah, I hate that.
Look.
Oh. What the shit? Nine.
Ay, Zach, he's there.
How? You'll never revive me, so I revive you. I'm done.
Bro, the sniper was on your head. What do you mean? Oh my god, I keep getting lag spike.
Hello?
Mama.
No! Yeah!
I backstabbed him.
Or you ambush them. Oh.
Oh my god. Zach, just show your knife at him because you actually predicted. Just predict that, okay? He's there, bro. Okay. He's lagging.
We're lagging.
He's lagging. Look at his MS.
Holy. Bring out of this. Oh my god.
Ah! Oh my god. No! Okay, clutch this. Okay? Clutch it. He's downstairs.
Oh!
He's downstairs. Okay, revive me first. Revive us. No. He's coming upstairs. Oh my god, you're still a slowpoke. I'm kidding. I'm actually kidding.
Maybe we can clutch this. I lag spike.
I lag spike. Oh my god, how did I
Fucking
fall?
lag spike.
Bro, they're camping.
Bro, I do camping, bro. Don't kill him. Kill him! What the should have hit him? Die, son.
Bro! That's not spike, bro!
At the worst timing. No! So this guy, oh, because he's fighting the green bean. Oh no.
You're behind. Look up your behind. I lag spike at the worst moment. I hate this game now. It's all about lag spiking. Wait, fuck. Click. Know what he said? He's fine. No?
That's why they don't want to be one again. They never want to be one.
Ano ta? Murder minigames? 1v1 ta?
Again?
1v1. No, okay. Boy.
Baba, you're still playing Duel.
No. Ah, wait, what? I can't done it. I can't done it.
Duel.
Okay, that's enough. Okay.